Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Slack with Google Drive, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Slack with Google Drive, start by opening your Slack workspace on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. In the search bar, type Google Drive. Select the Google Drive app from the list of available applications. Click on the Install button to add Google Drive to your Slack workspace. Once installed, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. You may need to grant permission for Slack to access your Google Drive files. Review the permissions requested and click Allow. After granting permission, return to your Slack workspace. To share a Google Drive file, open the channel or direct message where you want to share it. Type /Google Drive in the message input box and hit Enter. Select Upload a file from Google Drive. A window will appear showing your Google Drive files. Choose the file you wish to share, then click Select. The file link will be created and automatically inserted into your message. You can add an additional message or description if desired. Finally, press Enter to send the message with the file link. Your team members can now access the shared Google Drive file directly from Slack. If you need to share a Google Drive folder, follow the same steps with the folder link instead. You can also set up notifications for Google Drive activity within Slack. This will keep you informed of any changes or updates to your files in real time. Whenever someone edits or comments on a shared document, you will receive alerts in Slack. With these steps, you can seamlessly integrate Google Drive into your Slack workspace. This will enhance collaboration and improve productivity within your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.